Hey, this will be a video chart on HDVY, Health Discovery Corporation. A very nice looking chart. I wanted to kind of get to this one sooner, but I just never had enough time. But here we are now. The requests have been coming in, and rightfully so. Just a beautiful chart. Congratulations to the people that were accumulating here, that bought this pullback, and then had to wait about 3 months. The move's finally coming, and coming on nice volume, so nice liquidity here. And I've been saying nice quite a bit, so I think it's just safe to say it's a nice looking chart. So what I want to do with this is just get supports, resistances, and so forth updated, and that way this upcoming week everybody's got an idea of what to look for from a charting perspective. So the first thing to note is the candle form today. Some may consider this a hanging man candle, and that's not one of the best things or most preferable candles you want to see. Doesn't mean is it the end of the world, or does it mean the chart's falling straight back down here? No, that's not what it means at all. But it is saying there could be a little pullback here coming. But before people freak out and throw stones, remember that as long as support levels hold on pullbacks, they're perfectly fine, perfectly healthy. A great example right here. I mean, sure, I'm guessing people would have liked to see it just keep going straight up, but we had two sideways days where it let out profit takers. You saw this happen on decreasing volume, which is what you want to see, and then with the higher base built, took off again. You look down here at volume increased once again, and this was very healthy. So at the time, I'm sure people are getting a little bummed out and irritated, but it proved to be healthy. And with today's action, like I said, hanging man candle, I would say a pullback coming, but once again, like I said, pullbacks aren't bad as long as support levels hold. The support level down here was the 50-day simple moving average, and you can see it bounced right off of it. So I can guarantee you there are some chartists watching this, had some buy orders in down here, and you can see that they got filled here, and are making a killing now as it's moved upwards. So the question becomes, well, where are these new support levels that need to hold? If there is some sort of pullback, what levels do we want to see the bulls kind of flex their muscles at and hold strong? The first of these, and what I'm going to call this one, is kind of a best case scenario hold, meaning that if this level could hold, that would be great. But if it doesn't, no need to freak out. And this level is coming from basically the low of this candle here, and then the high way back here. But this level is at 32 cents. So like I said, this is more of a ideal situation where it would pull back, and then this would be as low as it goes before heading back up. But that's not required. There's more important resistance levels that need to hold, and that one is going to be down here at this level, being in this level or this support level at 28 cents. So I'm going to make this a little thicker to show that this is more of a crucial level that it holds. Let's say the price does come down here. There should be no reason why it doesn't bounce, and the reason, or I should say not bounce, but why shares shouldn't be bought, because it's been a previous resistance, and here it is now. And this is a great level where if this is a true move, and if this continues to have genuine strength, then this level will hold fine, because people will be chomping at the bit to want shares down here, because they'll just be considered so cheap and so forth. But if the price just falls and goes right through it, that's one of those red flags where it's okay, what's wrong now? Support levels like this should hold, and when they don't, that's when you should start to take notice and say maybe things are turning around, maybe the tide is turning. But for now, that's pure speculation. We're way up here. Who knows? Maybe this level isn't even tested. But if it is, this is the one that you really want to see hold, and it should if this is a strong move. Now, resistance-wise, pretty easy, just kind of glancing back here at some previous highs. I think maybe this level right around here may put up a little bit of a fight. I don't know if it'll be too big of one, so I'm just going to make this more of a skinny line. But this level is at 39 cents. And then the key, and looking back here, you can see the charts basically in uncharted territory here, just massive moves. So this level here, which is the previous high, is essentially the level that's going to try to stop the stock from getting back into blue sky breakout territory. If that can happen, then who knows where it'll go. But this level is at 43 cents. So 43 cents is a key level, and if you get through that, then you are back up in, like I said, blue sky breakout territory, and that's kind of where just things just go, and you got to use your gut to trade because you don't have any resistances to map it with. But at the same time, things can really get moving because there's not any resistance levels up there. So once more, if you do get a pullback, don't freak out. As long as these support levels hold, like it did right here, it'll prove to be healthy for the chart. And on any sort of bounce or upwards moves, these are the two resistance levels, the two battlegrounds that you're going to want to see the bulls push through. If there are any other questions on the chart, please shoot me a message. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and best part is it's all free, so it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. No strings attached, so it's worth checking out at least. One more time, this was HDVY. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekend.